Did you come here to charter a yacht? Watch this video and let's talk money. And we start with the best option. An ideal choice would be a motor yacht in the price range of $30,000 to $60,000 a week. This budget allows for a yacht with efficient fuel consumption, which means reducing costs on gas. Cheaper yachts often have older engines that consume more fuel. It's always best to inquire with a broker for personalized options. And as always, we must remind you that not all available boats are visible online, especially if you have specific requirements like starting from Santorini or Mykonos.